Hi there. Welcome to Lingo Star, where learning English is fun and exciting. Before we begin, can you see me and hear me clearly? Do you hear any noise in the background? Can you see my screen? Good to know. My name is Teacher Echo. What is your name? Say, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you, Anna. Say, nice to meet you too. How old are you, Anna? 6 years old. Say, I am 6 years old. Good job. Now, how are you feeling today, Anna? Are you happy? Are you sad? Or are you feeling sleepy? You are feeling happy today. I am happy too. Great job. Now, before we begin our lesson, if you do a great job today, I will give you a trophy. Do you like a trophy? Yes. Okay. Are you ready for our lesson? Yes, you are ready. Now, our lesson for today is all about, can all birds fly? Say it again. Can all birds fly? One more time. Very good. Now, what bird is this? This one. It's, say, it's a penguin. Very good. How about the second one? You don't know? That's okay because we are going to learn it later. Next. Oh, what do you see, Anna? Say, I see animals. Very good. Now, what animals do you like, Anna? Say, I like cat. One more time. I like cat. I like cat too. Yes. Now, what animal is this? This what? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. It is a monkey. Very good. How about this one? Roar. It's a tiger. Great job. How about this one? The big one. Say, it's an elephant. Very good. This one, a giraffe. Very good. This one, it's a dog. Great job. How about this one? Say, it's a cat. Very good. How about the last one? It's a bird. Very good. Now, because of that, I will give you another trophy. Yes, another trophy for Anna. Great job, Anna. Next. Oh, what do you see, Anna? Say, I see a bird. A bird. Now, what bird is it? Say, a magpie. Again, say, a magpie. Very good. Next. Oh, what bird is it? Read the sentence. This is a Magpie. Again, say it again. This is a magpie. Very good. Great job. Oh, how many magpies do you see? Let's count together. One and two. There are, read this sentence, two magpies. Again, two magpies. Very good. There are two magpies. Oh, how many magpies do you see? Let's count together. One, two, three, and four. How many magpies are there? There are four magpies. Very good. Now say the sentence. Magpies are birds. One more time. Very good, Anna. Because of that, I will give you another trophy. Yes. Next one. Oh, I want you to click and find all the magpies. Let's count together. One, two, three, four, five. How many magpies are there? Say, there are five magpies. One more time. There are five magpies. Great job, Anna. Next one. Oh, look and say. Let's read it together. Magpies, the first one. Magpies, again. Magpies are birds. One more time. Magpies are birds. Next, magpies can fly. Again, magpies can fly. You do it faster. Great job, Anna. I'll give you another trophy for that. Oh, what do you see? Say, say, I see a penguin. Okay, very good. This is a penguin. Now, do you like a penguin? No, that's okay. You don't like a penguin. Now, read this one. A penguin. Penguin. Very good. Oh, this is a penguin. Read the sentence. This is a penguin. Say it again. Great job, Anna. Next one. Oh, how many penguins do you see? Let's count together. One and two. How many penguins are there? Two penguins. Read it again. Two penguins. Great job, Anna. Oh, next one. Read this one. Penguins are birds. Again, say it again. Say it again. Very good. Penguins are birds. because of that, I'll give you another trophy. Oh, find the correct penguin's wing. What do you see? A penguin lost its wing. Now, I want you to find the correct penguin's wing. Is it the first one, the second one, or the third one? Very good. It is the third one. Good job, Anna. I'll give you another trophy for that. You did a great job, Anna. Next. Oh, look and say. Say penguins. Say penguins are birds. Again, are birds. Next one. Penguins cannot fly. Say it again. Cannot fly. One more time. Faster. Penguins. Very good, Anna. I'll give you another trophy for that. Next. Okay. Now, what is this? What are these? Okay, these are a bird. Very good. These are birds. Now, let's read this one. Say birds. Birds. This one. Say magpies. Again, magpies. Can fly. Say it again. Can fly. Next, penguins cannot fly. Again, cannot fly. Very good, Anna. Oh, I want you to answer a question in a complete sentence, Anna. Are you ready? Yes, you are ready. Now, can penguins fly? Read this one. Can penguins fly? Say, penguins cannot fly. Say it again. Very good. Penguins cannot fly. Next one. Are magpies birds? Say it again. Are magpies birds? Very good. Are magpies birds? Say it again. Magpies are birds. Great job, Anna. Amazing. I'll give you another trophy for that. Okay. Next one. Oh, I have a question. Do you know any other birds that cannot fly, Anna? Aside from a penguin, what else do you know? Very good. And ostrich. Do you know that the ostrich is the biggest bird in the earth, but it cannot fly? Good job, Anna. Okay, we learned that This is, say it again, a bird. How about this one? Magpie is very good. How about this one? Can fly. Great job. This one. Penguins. Excellent. This one. Say it again. Cannot fly. Good job, Anna. Don't forget. Okay. Wait a minute. I'll give you another trophy. Yes, you have a lot of trophy, Anna. Oops. I guess that's the last slide. Thank you for choosing me as your teacher here in Lingustar, Anna. Don't forget to study our lesson of what we have discussed today because we will see each other soon. Okay, let's count how many trophy you got. Okay, count with me. One, two, say 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 7, 8, and 9. How many trophies you got? You got 9 trophy. Good job, Anna. That's all for today. I hope to see you soon in my class. Goodbye.